Good afternoon, class. I'm going to take a couple minutes here to show you how to get your textbooks online. I know I sent a link out yesterday, and I had a couple of responses saying that the link wasn't working. So we'll do it this way real quick. If you go to your home page on Canvas, you'll see down where it says what to do next. If you go down to the bottom, it's going to show you can get your textbook online from this site. Go ahead and click on the site. It will take you to Z Library. Now, for Think, you don't need to have an account. You just have to type in the author's name, which is U-D-I-T-H-A Boss. Do a quick search. The book will come up. You click on it, and then you go ahead and download. All right, so that's simple. For the other book, for Simon Wiesenthal's Sunflower, see, we'll type his name in here. It won't let you get his book. It'll show up, but it won't download for some reason. So it'll be the newer version. For his book, you will have to become a member. Okay, so all you need to do, it's free membership. All you need to do is go to registration. Your email, put your email in, put a password in, hit registration. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. So I'll put mine in. And I'll sign in, and then I'll put Wiesenthal's name in again. And the book should come up. And it should let me download it. You can do either the first one or the second one. It really doesn't matter. Let's see. Okay, so that's not going to work right here. So let's go back. I just downloaded these right now, so I don't know why it's being a little bit difficult. Okay, so let's go here, hit PDF. Download PDF version, open with, there you go, there's a book. So both your books are here. You can get them online for free. Let's do Think, so that I can show you. It'll download also. So we'll go Judith A. Boss. It'll come up. It'll be the first one on there. Again, PDF version. Or this one you may be able to open in your browser. Okay, it's going to let you open the browser, so that's fine. You can just download it. It's downloading here, so it'll take a couple minutes till it gets in, and then you'll be fine. You'll have both textbooks. So go ahead and do that, and you guys should have your textbooks. Now, also, I've had a couple of students telling me that they're having problems getting into the discussion board, or being able to respond to the on the introductions or the icebreaker. So if you go to modules up here, from the home page, go to modules, and go to getting started, course overview. You should be able, no, I'm sorry, you're not going to go there. You're going to go straight to discussions. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Go into discussions, then go down to icebreaker. I've already started it. I went ahead and made a post for you guys. So there's mine. At the bottom here, there should be a reply. For some of you, that's not coming up. If that's the case, let me know, and I can get together with the people from Canvas and see why that's happening. So just go ahead and answer these 3 questions. Who are you? Where are you coming from? And where are you going? Give a few details about yourself to help us get to know you. Name, school you want to transfer to, your intended major, and what do you expect to gain from the class. Second one, how did this past semester go for you? How are you doing? How is taking class online? And then tell us what brought you here to San Jose City College, and what do you like and or dislike about SJCC. Okay, and then respond to, this has to be done by Wednesday night, and then respond to at least 2 students by I think it's Friday night, I'm not sure, and then you'll be done. Okay, so if from the home page, once you get on the home page, go ahead and just start looking at the different things that are going on, different things I'm having you do. Read this article, watch this video, and then if you go to meet your instructor, it tells you a little bit about me, and we'll go from there. Almost everything for week 1 has already been put on here. There's a couple more things I want to put on, and then by sometime next week I'll have week 2 up. I'm going to put stuff up by the week, that way it doesn't get too overwhelming. So see you on Monday. I'm going to set up a Zoom meeting, so I'll let you guys know when that's going to happen, and then just if you have any questions, please get a hold of me, and we'll have a great semester. All right, let me know if you have any problems getting your books. All right, bye-bye.